Hello students, in this video lecture I am going to start exercise 5.4. This exercise is based on the derivative of exponential and logarithmic functions. You have already done many questions based on the derivative of these two functions from the spectrum book power x square plus so on up to e power x power 5. This is my y and I need to find the derivative of y with respect to x. Now I am going to write my y elaborately, that is e power x plus e power x square, e power x cube, e power x 4, e power x 5. What is the derivative of e power x? It is e power x. Derivative of e power x square is e power x square as it is, and derivative of x square is 2x. E power x cube is e power x cube as it is into 3x square. E power x power 4 into 4x cube plus e power x power 5 as it is 5x power 4. This is my answer. Question number 7. E power root x root, where x is positive. Why x is positive? Because if x is not positive, then this will become imaginary part. We are not dealing with any imaginary number here. That's why it is given that x is positive. I can write e power root x into bracket. I am going to write this root by power 1 by 2. What will be my dy by dx? First I need to apply power rule here. 1 by 2 e power root x 1 by 2 minus 1 into derivative of e power root x. 1 over 2 e power root x into minus 1 by 2 into derivative of e power root x, that is e power root x into derivative of root x. It is 1 by 2 e power root x power 1 by 2 e power root x into derivative of x power 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2 e power root x. I am going to write this 1 by 2 by under root. E power root x 1 by 2 into x power minus 1 by 2, that is root in the denominator. My answer is 1 over 4 root e power root x into root x e power root x. This will be my answer. Let us try question number 8, that is y equal to log of log x. What will be the derivative of log x? First I need to find the derivative of this log, that is 1 over this log x. 1 over the function into derivative of function, right? 1 over log x into derivative of this log x is 1 by x. Derivative of this function and derivative of function, that is derivative of x with respect to x, that is 1. So my answer will be 1 over x log x. See, they are quite easy, right? Next question is y equal to cos x over log x. Which rule will be applicable here? Quotient rule. Log x square log x, derivative of cos x minus sin x minus cos x into derivative of log x, it is 1 by x. After taking LCM and solving, you can easily find the answer. See, they are quite easy. I am going to start the next topic, that is logarithmic differentiation. What is logarithmic differentiation? In this differentiation, we take log on both sides, and after applying some properties from the log functions, the derivative can be easily found. Let us take one question from the exercise. Yes, first question from exercise 5.5. Exercise 5.5. First question. Y equal to cos x multiply cos 2x multiply cos 3x. If I take log on both sides, then log of AB is equal to log A plus log B. I can easily break my product function into the sum of log functions. So it will be quite easy to solve in that manner. So taking log on both sides, that is log y equal to, I get log of cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Now after applying the property, log AB equal to log ABC equal to log A plus log B plus log C. It will be log of cos x plus log of cos 2x plus log of cos 3x. Right? Now differentiating both sides. What is the derivative of log y with respect to x? It is 1 by y into derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx, equal to derivative of log cos x. It is 1 over cos x, that is 1 over the function, into derivative of function, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x, plus log of cos 2x. Derivative is 1 over cos 2x into derivative of cos 2x, that is minus sin 2x, into derivative of 2x, that is 2, plus log cos 3x. It is 1 over cos 3x into derivative of cos 3x, that is minus sin 3x, into derivative of 3x, that is 3. Right? Now I need to find only dy by dx. So I will multiply this y on other side, that is dy by dx into equal to y. Now I need to put the value of y, that is cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x, cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Minus sin x over cos x is minus tan x, minus 2 sin 2x over cos 2x minus tan 2x, minus 3 into tan 3x. This will be my answer. I can apply the properties from the log function and easily solve the questions. Second question is y equal to under root x minus 1, x minus 2 over x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Taking log on both sides, I'll get log y equal to, this is log of, I'm going to write this root by 1 by 2. X minus 1, x minus 2 over x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Now I know that log of a power n is n log a. Know that power will become multiply, and I can take out the power from the function log, right? So it will become 1 by 2 log of x minus 1, x minus 2 over x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Right? That is 1 by 2. Log of a over b. What is log of a over b? It is log a minus log b. So here I can write log a minus log b. Right? Now what will be my next step? Log AB, that is log A plus log B. Log ABC, log A plus log B plus log C. So here I can write log A plus log B minus, now here log A plus log B plus log C. Right? In the next step, x minus 1 plus log x minus 2 minus log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4, minus plus minus, again minus plus minus, log x minus 5. This is log y. Now I can differentiate both sides. Differentiating both sides, here it will become 1 over y dy by dx, here 1 by 2. Derivative of log x minus 1, it is 1 over x minus 1 into derivative of x minus 1, which is 1. 1 minus 0, that is 1. Here log of x minus 2, derivative is 1 over x minus 2 into derivative of x minus 2, which is 1. Minus log of x minus 3, that is 1 over x minus 3 into derivative of x minus 3, which is 1. minus 1 over x minus 4 minus 1 over x minus 5. In the last step, multiply this y in this side and put the value of y from the given question, right? Then it will be my answer. Now you can try first 10 questions. You can try first 10 questions and ask your doubt. If you have any doubt, ask your doubt in the comment sections. Okay, bye.